Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel The Tech Magician. Today we are comparing two of the best Android flagships, Samsung S10 Plus against the Google Pixel 5. Which one is the better option for you? So we will decide in this video. As usual, we will start the test with a boot up test. The S10 Plus has a 6.7-inch Dynamic AMOLED display and an IP68 water resistance and a glass back. And it has Exynos 9820 processor. On the other hand, Pixel 5 has a 6-inch OLED display, IP68 water resistance and Snapdragon 665 5G processor. Both the devices are started. Let's confirm both are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Yep, they are. Let's confirm there are no apps running in the background. First, we will start the test with the phone app. S10 Plus seemed a bit quicker here. Now messages. Again, S10 Plus it is. We will now check the browser, search something. It is the Pixel 5 this time. Let's try music app. S10 Plus it is again. Let's try Google. S10 Plus seemed a bit quicker again. Let's try YouTube. Pixel 5 takes it this time. Now let's check Chrome. It is almost Pixel 5. Now let's try TikTok. Pixel 5 takes the lead again. Let's try Facebook. They were almost the same time. Now Spotify. S10 Plus takes the lead again. Let's try Discord. It is S10 Plus again. Now Maps. Both are almost the same time. Now the Play Store app. S10 Plus takes it. Let's try Netflix. S10 Plus takes it again. Let's try Pinterest. It is S10 Plus again taking the lead. Let's try Snapchat. Almost the same time. Now let's move to the gaming portion. First, Candy Crush Saga. S10 Plus is taking the lead again. Let's try Subway Surfers. S10 Plus took the lead again. Now Mario Run. Pixel 5 takes the lead, surprisingly here. Let's try the final game, Hill Climb Racing. It is S10 Plus again. Both are equally smooth. And now finally the weather app. Pixel 5 seemed quicker again. So which Android is the best suiting for you? If you want a large display and more storage option, S10 Plus is the way to go. But if you want timely software updates and a great camera, the Pixel 5 is an excellent choice. Thanks for watching guys. If you have any questions, leave them below the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.